This is Majo John Madden outside of Princess Reparaciones y Accesorios. I had a terrific experience with these people. Alberto is a brilliant Apple repair guy. He also repaired a Bocinas Bluetooth speaker for me, did that great. He also sells all kinds of wonderful Apple products, which are hard to find elsewhere. I think I lucked out on this one. And Esperanza, his assistant, was super helpful in showing me how to use a couple of the products. And they've got great music out front. And I'm jamming. Happy? Happy? I think my iPhone is going to work better. And I've got music in my car from my repaired Bocinas. It's a good day for me at Princess.